Hello, everyone. My name is Winnie, and I am a product manager for developer experience.
And my name is Gracie, and I'm the product manager for Partner Center.
So, as Vivian highlighted in her presentation, the App Store is where sellers come here and discover apps and find the tools that they need. And in TikTok, you will be able to find a diverse set of sellers with a diverse spanning from global brands to your local mom and pop shops. And these sellers are also selling in different product categories. So as a result, their needs and the tools that they use to operate their businesses are very different. So this is where developer comes in to help these sellers to build the apps that will tailor to their needs. So next, you may wonder, how do I and where do I develop these apps? And the answer is Partner Center. So Partner Center is your one-stop shop to onboard as a developer, get access to your APIs, and to also develop, manage, and optimize your app. And we will walk you through the onboarding flow.
Okay, so thank you, Winnie, for giving us the high-level introduction on what Partner Center is. So now you have a little background information on what Partner Center is and what we offer. Moving next, I will walk you through the enrollment process of Partner Center and give you a visual experience to help you understand the journey and what to expect within the platform. So of course, the first page you will see is the landing page for Partner Center. And if you can see on the top, we have the banner for our submit today. And then on the top right corner, we have the sign up page. After you click on that, the first page you will see is the registration page. So within this page, we will ask you to enter the email address and get the verification code and follow the steps to create your partner account. And then after you're registered, this is the first page you will see within the Partner Center console. So as mentioned, our Partner Center it really is an all-in-one platform. We have multiple partner type, including developers, TikTok Shop partner, also affiliate. So for today, I will be only focusing on the developer journey within the platform. Okay, so if you click on Get Started, the button in blue, the next page you will see is this page. So within this page, we will ask you a little bit background information about your company, including the registration, region, target market, and app category you plan to develop. Moving next. We'll only ask you a limited question within this page, including the partner name and contact email. And if you see this page, it means you are only one step away from getting your app key. All right, so before you see the actual app key, we will ask you another question is which type of app you plan to develop is either a public or custom. So the difference between a public and custom is really that for public app, you're able to launch that to the TikTok Shop App Store. And for custom app, you can directly share the authorization link with the sellers. And then in the after session, I will get to more details about the flow for public and custom app launch. So after you select the public or custom tab and enter the name and the category and also the logo, the next page you will see is the app key, including the secret and key within this app detail page. In conclusion, is that after you register to Partner Center, you will only spend like 5 minutes to get your app key. This is one of the biggest project we have done in the past to ensure you have a great experience within Partner Center and can start with your development right away. All right.
So now that you have gotten your app key, the next step is to start development. And as the first thing to do to start development is that you need to call your first APIs. And keep in mind that all TikTok Shop APIs require authentication. And what this means is that you will need to have a test seller center account to authorize your app so that your app can get access to get data from that specific app store, specific seller center's account. So what you can do is to come in the development kit, which we have tools for developers during the development process, and you can use the development shop feature to create a test account. And then you will use that test account to authorize your app and get, which then will allow you to call your first API. In addition to that, we also have API logs and webhook log, which we will be able to see the history of your API and webhook requests, which Cole in the afternoon will go over in detail. But this is where you will have all the tools you need to develop. And in addition to that, we also have resources available for developers in our document library. In our document library, you will be able to find the API references and webhook references. In addition to that, you will also find a developer guide, which will guide you through the app development process from start to finish. It will have guides on how to set up authorization, webhooks, and also signing your API requests. In the very end of this development guide, we also have a section called App Development Guide, which is commonly known as the ARDs. And we recognize that app developers sometimes may need additional guidance on what are the specific use cases to consider and what are the seller pain points. So these app development guides are built for specific app categories like shipping, order, and product listing. So then you can take a look at it as a checklist to kind of ensure that all the use cases that we think are important are also considered as you develop your app. In the document library, you'll also be able to find the changelog where you'll see the latest changes from our development platform related to APIs, developer tools, and relevant policy changes. We also have an FAQ session in the development document library where you'll see the common questions asked from fellow developers. And as you build your app, if you run into any issues, we also have a team of dedicated technical support team that can address your questions. To get in touch with them, you can hit the bottom right corner of the Partner Center right here, where you can submit a ticket, and our development team, support team will be able to help address any of your questions. Last but not least, developer experience is more than just what happens in Partner Center. A lot of things also happen offline, such as the developer community. So if you haven't joined already, please scan the picture here and join the community. In this section, you will be able to, if you're in the community, you will be able to get the latest updates from our platform and also join events and programs planned by our awesome community manager, Greg. In this community, you'll also be able to find live Q&A sessions with our solution engineers on a week, I believe it's Friday afternoon. So that concludes the developer experience. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Amy.